So let's take a quick look what I actually bought here. Oh shit, my car's there. Look on them. Opsh. Opsh. So I just was at Asda, and I don't know how much of a top tip it is, but it just makes sense to buy all sorts of stuff from the cheapest supermarket, because you know, during your travels you're gonna need stuff anyway, but I suppose people who go on a holiday with a car know it anyway. But yeah, like for example, this 6-pack of Evian, it was like $4.70, and I paid like $1.85 for this single bottle of generic British water. So 100% makes sense to just stock up or shut up. So let's take a little look at the fuel damage. The car itself says 36.5 mpg, and yesterday's run was 226.7 miles. Last guy said he was a Honda guy, but obviously he didn't know anything about cleaning the fuel filler hole, because you can just pressure wash it when the cap's on. Well, 227 miles and 28 liters, so 53 quid, less than staying overnight in London. So it will cost me £100 extra back and forth, but I mean, free accommodation is free accommodation. So we're here in Plymouth with transport guru and a car lover, Ross McKenzie. Just show us your rides, just quickly.
Porsche Taycan Turbo, 0 to 60 in 3.0 seconds, dual motor, fast as hell.
Yeah. I would imagine it's ruined petrol cars for you.
Take a look inside.
Yeah.
Proper 4-seat car.
Good old black on black.
Yeah.
Black interior makes sense.
So yeah, it's a cool ride.
Yeah.
I'm embracing the electric revolution.
Yeah.
So let's take a look at this one. This is the Mercedes EQV 300. So this is currently on charge.
Yeah.
This is 0 to 60 in about half an hour. It's quite slow.
Really? I would imagine it's still fast.
It's 0 to 60 in about 10.5-11 seconds.
Okay.
But it weighs about 3 tons.
Okay, yeah, makes sense.
This thing weighs really heavy.
Okay.
And great bit of kit. This is like my mobile office. It's a 7-seat car, so you can take a look. It's all motorized. So it has the seats that spin around. You can turn it into almost like an executive meeting room on the go.
First bus seats that kind of look comfortable that I've ever seen.
Take a look in front.
Yeah, I'll just come around. Pads and stuff. Yeah. There's even some side bolster on the seats.
Yeah, it's impressive. I probably spent a lot of time in this.
Which is more enjoyable for a longer journey.
Longer journey, I'd probably take this for a bit of fun and to cause mayhem. Definitely this, and to scare the kids. Yeah. There's been many an occasion where I've been coming down the A38 on one of the local highways, and one of the kids has fancied a race. Yeah. It didn't end well for the kids. Yeah. Moral of the story is these things are not to be trifled with, because they are super fast. Yeah.
Moral of the story is don't put old people in new technology.
Don't put old people in new technology.
Yeah.
It gets a bit scary.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your input. And now I've got you recorded in one of my videos at least.
That's all good.
Okay, Shannon, we're live.
Oh boy.
An actual woman from Cornland. Her name is Shannon, and I just figured that whatever she has to say about this car is way more interesting than what I will ever have to say about this car. So, do you want to say anything, Shannon, before you give your verdict?
I'm scared.
You're scared? I mean, you already got the taster, so I mean, there's nothing to surprise you with. Plus, the tires are really crap, and I don't know this car well, so we're not gonna go crazy fast anyway. So there's this nice little bit of road here. Some few good corners. We're just gonna test the car's handling, and then Shannon's gonna say what she thinks about this car, and then she's gonna drive and then give her opinion as a driver. Some kind of try to keep it spirited, but nothing like overly, nothing that we already didn't do. We're just gonna finish at the top of the hill.
Let's go.
That was Vitek if you felt it. Right corner. Not too good. Okay, let's give it a cool down period. Yeah. So everything that's not meant for going fast, it's gonna stink real bad.
Yeah.
So like tires get heat, brakes get heat. They start like that. That's how you know they're like pushing them, and tires start squealing when there's no like they're struggling for grip.
Will you have to change the tires after the track in Germany?
That's like I have only one experience with this with my first car. So it was like a regular car.
Yeah.
I took it out on a karting track, and it had like this old type of like knobbly asphalt, and it ruined my brand new tires because these were just regular road tires.
Yeah.
You get a little bit heat, and they like disintegrate, like pieces start flying out. So yeah, if we would push these tires like squealing and stuff, they would just start falling apart. That's why you get that's why there's racing stuff. And that's why there's like normal stuff. Because normal stuff is just meant to last as long as possible during normal use. So no extreme temperatures, no nothing like that. And like racing stuff, that's why these more expensive and racing stuff is because it's meant for like the racing application. Okay, let's use the view too. I'll take a comment from you outside. Shannon, we got the car here. What do you think of Honda Civic Type R 2008 FN2 model? So you as a Cornish expert.
I can't tell if it's because of the sound, but I was trying not to look at your speed because it felt a lot faster than you were going.
It most likely was. It felt so. It most likely felt a lot faster than it actually was.
It did.
Yeah. So how do you like the handling in the corners?
It's better than I thought it was going to be.
And the brakes?
Again, better than I thought it was going to be. Scared me. But...
Okay. Well, now it's your turn, and then you can give your professional evaluation of how it actually drives.
30 mile per hour, 10.
Yeah, I mean, you drive as you find suitable.
I actually can't drive petrol cars, so...
You need to just rev higher. Who's going for it?
Oh god.
Baby sheep went to the mama sheep. Okay, so now it's Shannon's turn. She's gonna drive me. I'm gonna enjoy it.
Oh my god.
So the thing is, just give it a whole lot of revs.
Oh yeah, the clutch is so heavy.
So it's gonna bite from very bottom.
This feels like my old car.
Yeah.
Just act like it's normal.
Yeah. So it's 6 gears. You can't go into reverse, and with that.
Awesome.
So now you hold down the clutch and just hold it. So yeah, it actually works like a key, but you just hold the button down, which is, I mean, it's a gimmick. So that's reverse. Yeah,
you need to take. It's right at the bottom.
Yeah, you need to take the handbrake off too. Okay. Don't worry, it's fine. I stalled too. I stalled too, and it has a bad turning circle. We will make it here, but and look out, it's low, so I don't care when it scrapes, but let's just keep everything attached. Then that's all I want.
Oh god.
I'm not overly concerned about scraping. If you go out like that way, we're fine, like diagonally, yeah, down from here. I think we can do it. Yeah, we're fine. Just watch the baby sheep. I'm just gonna catch the baby sheep, two angles.
Oh my god.
Baby sheep is going for it.
Oh god.
Baby sheep went to the mama sheep.
Oh, it's weird. Oh.
What do you mean?
It's weird.
I mean, it's so.
Your clutch is weird.
Yeah, it bites really low. Like I suppose it's good, because if it bites from high, it's worn. So we can go straight forward too. We don't have to go down.
Oh.
It's a regular car.
Yeah.
Like the only difference.
I'm scared about it being so low. But...
Yeah. No, you're fine. Like I said, only driving out. Like on this road, it's fine. Like we had a few jumps there, and we didn't touch anything.
Yeah, I'm surprised at that. I thought it was going to scrape all the time.
No. That would be like extraordinary low. There's people who like these kind of cars, but this is like lower than normal, but still within normality.
Yeah.
Maybe that makes sense.
Okay, this is nice now.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be horrible at first. This is
No, because it's just a Honda Civic with a bit of a so Hondas aren't very special to begin with. It just has a bit of a nicer engine. That's it. We can turn around, maybe get some open road.
Okay.
Then you can go into VTEC too.
Oh god.
We have to get you into VTEC at least once. You can do it in second gear. It's not
I was going to say, how do you get into VTEC?
You need to go past 4,500 RPM.
Okay.
VTEC is the Honda thing. We can turn around there. Yeah, there's gonna be a nice road up there. Me and Shannon, we're like two old automotive journalists. We've been doing this for years. We're doing the exact opposite that I was telling you to do. How would it work out? You could have just filmed this way, but how would it?
Pretty serious stuff.
In cooperation and alone, Shannon sold her 400-pound car for 3K. That's pretty car stuff.
Oh, this is nice.
So stay in second now. Put it into second. Yeah. Yeah. Go.
Okay.
Third gear. Go. You don't have to go faster than you like, but that's VTEC. So don't go into second now. Make sure it's fourth. Let the clutch go slowly. Yeah, that's fourth. Because I go into second too, like you saw before. It just kind of moves weirdly.
Oh, it's fun. I like it.
You can get let's slow down a bit so you can get a good VTEC before the sheep. Just go as fast as you can. Go, more. Now that's VTEC. Did you feel it?
Yeah.
That's VTEC for you. You don't have to go overly fast. I mean, it's not gonna be any more fun than in second gear. Like after second gear, the speed will just grow. You will have less acceleration, but it's not gonna be more fun. Especially if you don't wanna go fast, then
Yes, I don't want to kill us.
There's no point.
Oh, no, I like it.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, just a regular car, nothing like overly extraordinary. They're all regular cars, like the Subaru and stuff, but it's just made for going fast.
Yeah.
Whereas just a normal car, it really isn't.
I've never driven a car over 1.3 litres.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I offered you to drive the Audi, but you didn't want to.
I know, that's because it's a big car.
Yeah, it is. I mean, I never reverse into anywhere. I just go nose forward. I reverse out to go away. But like, I never maneuver. I just park further away where there's space and shit. Because, I mean, it's big. Let's say, being able to go quickly in a corner a bit doesn't apply to parking whatsoever.
Yeah.
It's still the same struggle for me to still go into overly, especially in reverse over the tight spots. Parallel parking never. Going fast, just straight forward. Like I said, Germany doesn't have speed limits. Anyone can do it. It's the corners when you kind of have to know what to do, so you won't endanger yourself.
I think this is nicer to drive than my car.
Yeah. I mean,
This feels more like my diesel car.
Yeah, that's the whole point of this car. It has to feel nicer to drive, but it's not nicer to commute in, definitely. Yeah, it's just nicer to drive for a little while.
Yes.
That's exactly how it was with the Subaru. Like the main racetrack we have back at home is like hour and a half away, and it gets fucking annoying in the end. Like it's not comfortable at all. I enjoy driving on the track, but going there, especially when you're tired in the evening and coming back, that shit is super tiring. Now I have the British Ocean chili. This is hot version UK, test driver Shannon Sandy. And what do you think about the FN2 Civic Type R?
Pleasantly surprised. I liked driving it a lot.
Yeah, which did you prefer, driving yourself or sitting as a passenger?
It was two different. It's basically like two different cars.
Okay.
It's really nice to drive. I mean, I can't drive how you drive.
Was the handling confidence inspiring?
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, it's easier than I thought it would
How was
be.
the throttle response?
I can't answer that question.
How did VTEC feel?
Weird, honestly.
Yeah. I also can't say much about VTEC, so my opinion is the same. Do you like the seats? I really like the seats. What's your opinion on the seats?
I do really like the seats. I mean, again, I don't have much input. They feel until I'm trying to reverse, and then I don't like the seats.
Last question. Do you like the button start?
I don't see the point in button start. To be fair, I like it when you stall.
Yeah.
Then it's nice.
It's pretty quick, to be honest.
Yeah.
Rather than you have to go back. Okay.
But
well, thank you for your expert opinion.
Thanks.